viewer, first off, now I'd like to show you really fascinating work, which is really incredible because here's Anis. Anis is like a mechanic. He's like fixing the, the, I mean, this machine. And here is Anis brothers. They both are working hard. They are worker, like really hard worker. And he's so cute boy. He's also following his brother, one brother, because they these kids also want to learn how to fix out or solve any problem that is like related to the mechanical work. Still Anis is doing the fixing the work. So it's really incredible time. So I really appreciate this type of boy that's working harder. Anis is supporting his father because his father is already gone somewhere for work. And he's also a student. He's still study in class maybe 5 or something like that. So it's really cool moment that I shares with you right now, so you can see. So okay, so by the way, so now I'd like to end this video because I don't want to say anything, but I'm here just to show you guys what is going here. So okay, so keep practice and appreciate this type of boy. Those are hardworking, okay, and try to help them if you have ability to help. Okay, so keep learning. Bye, Allah Hafiz, see ya.